Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you a short summary of the chapter The Cherry Tree by Ruskin Bond. I will tell you a short summary related to this chapter so that it is easy for you to understand this lesson and the moral which this lesson gives us. So let's get started. In the lesson The Cherry Tree, the whole story revolves around the growth of the cherry tree. Okay? In the beginning of the lesson only, our narrator tells us that the cherries which Rakesh was eating while he was going home from the school were from the Kashmir Valley. The reason he gave that the cherries, why they were from the Kashmir Valley, was that the Himalayan foothill conditions where Rakesh lived was not suitable for the growth of any fruit tree. The stony soil and dry cold winds stunned the growth of the plants. But in spite of all these difficult conditions, the cherry seed developed into a cherry tree which Rakesh saw in his garden. That cherry seed was now developed in a cherry tree, and the reason for its proper growth was the love, the care which Rakesh gave from the very beginning to the full growth of the plant was the main reason that the tree was able to grow properly in his garden. He took great care of the plant, just like our parents take care of the child. Okay? Grandfather played a very important role in this procedure. He became a guiding light for the Rakesh during this process. In the beginning, when Rakesh was planting the cherry seed, grandfather guided him to plant it in a shady corner where it will not be disturbed by anyone. Almost after a year, when the cherry plant started to show up, grandfather advised Rakesh to water it now and then so that it is helpful for its growth. Later, when the leaves of the plant was eaten by a goat and it was cut into two by the woman who was cutting the grass, Rakesh was very disappointed and he lost all hope that the cherry tree will now not grow properly. It will die. But grandfather consoled him and told him that cherry plant is tough and it has no intention of dying. It will grow again. And the same happened as well. In the upcoming summer, the plant was seen growing again with the new leaves, and as the time passed, the cherry tree grew with Rakesh and soon was taller than him. Rakesh's love and determination, his dedication towards the cherry tree made this thing possible for the tree to grow in such unfavorable condition. Rakesh's relation, we can say, with the tree was just like parents have with their child. He helped it grow in safe and favorable conditions. It gave it protection in the form of pebbles when it was growing. He removed the caterpillar which was eating, or we can say destroying, its leaves, just like our parents protect us. He enjoyed its beauty, its pale pink flowers, small cherries. He was happy when the tree showed pale pink flowers and small cherries. Rakesh always looked at the tree with love. He even realized that the tree was his creation. He thought that the tree was his creation, and he also felt that the God also used to feel the same way by looking at the earth as he was feeling by looking at the cherry tree. And there is one more very important moral in this lesson, which is, we can say, is also a highlight of the chapter, that if we take care of the nature will take care of us as well. We can say this by an example. When Rakesh was planting the seed in the garden, grandfather guided him to plant it in a shady corner, and later when the planted seed was grown up into a big tree, it gave shade to Rakesh, to the whole garden, actually to the Rakesh as well as to the grandfather. And in the summer season, it was very grandfather was very feeling good while sitting under the shade of the cherry tree. This example made us realize that if we do something for the nature, the nature will pay us back. So it is important for us to take care of the nature, and nature will take care of us. I hope you all understood the chapter well. Looking for your views in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will meet you next time with a new video with the explanation of the new chapter. Have a nice day.